स्वागत है। इस सेमिनार की सफलता के लिए सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों से अनुरोध करूंगा कि शांतिपूर्वक अपने पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन एंड अदर्स जो भी है शेड्यूल को समय के अनुसार जारी रखें। मैं वेलकम के लिए, स्वागत के लिए डॉक्टर रमानाथ पांडे जी को आमंत्रित करता हूं।
Before I give a short welcome, I think that there must be traditional Mangalachara that is needed. So I call the students of Satyavati College for Mangalachara. Then I will give my welcome address. Please come, students of Satyavati College.
प्रणाम। अब मैं आप सबके सामने सरस्वती वंदना प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। तो आइए मिलकर सारे लोग सरस्वती माँ की वंदना करते हैं। या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदंड मंडित करा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकरा प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचारसार परमा माद्यां जगतव्यापिनी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थिता वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां। धन्यवाद।
दूसरी वंदना करेंगे।
प्रणाम। अथ भगवती स्तुति। जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय पाप विनाशिनी बहुफल दे जय शुंभन शुंभ कपाल धरे प्रणमामि तु देवी नरार्ति हरे जय चंद्र दिवाकर नेत्र धरे जय पावक भूषित वक्त्रवरे जय भैरव देह निलीन परे जय अंधक दैत्य विशोष कर जय महिष विमर्दिनी शूल करे जय लोक समस्तक पाप हरे जय देवी पितामह विष्णुनते जय भास्कर शक्र शिरोवनते जय सन्मुख सायुध ईशनुते जय सागर गामिनी शंभुनुते जय दुख दरिद्र विनाश करे, जय पुत्र कलत्र विवृद्धि करे, जय देवी समस्त शरीर धरे, जय नाक विदर्शिनी दुख हरे, जय व्याधि विनाशिनी मोक्ष करे, जय वांछित दायिनी सिद्धि वरे, जय वांछित दायिनी सिद्धि वरे, जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे, जय पाप विनाशिनी बहुफल दे, जय शुंभ निशुंभ कपाल धरे, प्रणमामि तु देवी नरार्ति हरे, प्रणमामि तु देवी नरार्ति हरे, प्रणमामि तु देवी नरार्ति हरे। धन्यवाद।
Secretary of the Dr. Paramit Sastri Education and Charitable Trust. In this memorial session of Dr. Paramit Sastri, I request to Professor Chaudhary to come up on the stage. Professor Chaudhary, Mr. Chaudhary, please. Yes. I also request Sri Kishore ji to come here. And Sri Ramnath Singh ji, please. Then I also request to Professor Lab, please be seated. If Manindra is there, then Professor Manindra has come?
Manindra should be coming.
I request Bajrang ji to come here. And Arun ji also. So before I request to welcome with bouquet to Professor Chaudhary. I request to Gunadhar Pandey to welcome to Professor Mr. Chaudhary with bouquet. And what is the main thing? I request to Professor Lab, please go that side and one forward, and I forgotten the main person due to whom I am able to stand here, so I forgotten their name. So I request her, Mataji, our Mataji, wife of Paramit Sastri, she must come on the table and she should sit here. Now I call student Harishankar for Swagat Gan.
सभागार में बैठे हुए सभी महानुभावों को मेरा कोटि कोटि नमन। मैं आपके समक्ष स्वागत गान गाना चाहूंगा। महामहनीय मेधाविन् त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः महामहनीय मेधाविन् त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः न काचित् भावना भक्ति न काचित् साधना शक्ति न काचित् भावना भक्ति न काचित् साधना शक्ति वयं यत् बालकायेते वयं यत् बालकायेते त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः महामहनीय मेधाविन् त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः यथा शक्ति प्रपन्नानां यथा मानोपमानानां यथा शक्ति प्रपन्नानां यथा मानोपमानानां मया यत् श्राव्यते भाव मया यत् श्राव्यते भाव त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः महामहनीय मेधाविन् त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः अयं गार सुविद्यानां समायाता शमेशिना अयं गार सुविद्यानां समायाता शमेशिना इह मधुरि में काले इह मधुरि में काले त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः महामहनीय मेधाविन् त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः महामहनीय मेधाविन् त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः त्वदीयं स्वागतं कुर्मः। धन्यवाद।
I welcome to all the dignitaries already announced their name and on the behalf of the Secretary of the Dr. Paramit Sastry Education and Charitable Trust and also Indian Society for Indic Study, I welcome to all of you those are present in this conference, and I extend to all of you a hearty welcome to the first international conference on ancient Indian wisdom and the modern world that Indian Society for Indic Studies has organized. Why is ancient Indian wisdom relevant in the modern world? I wish to share a conceptual scientific perspective with you in answer to this question. Edward Wilson, a well-known biologist from the world famous Harvard University, USA, in his book Conscience, The Unity of Knowledge, 1998, brilliantly articulated the need for unification of knowledge for solving contemporary societal problems. He stated that most real-world problems lie at the intersection of four key branches of knowledge: environmental policy, ethics, biology, and social science, where analysis is most needed. Unfortunately, virtually no roadmap exists in this domain. Modern science and medicine are very fragmented. To tackle the biggest challenge of unification of knowledge and to solve the modern world problems that are all around us: global warming, food shortages, water shortages, and contamination, etc. We turn attention to the ancient Indian wisdom and science that originated thousands of the years ago in direct contrast to the modern science. Unification is the foundation of the ancient Indian wisdom. Quoting Swami Vivekananda, all differences in this world are of degree and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. I expect the next 3 days to be illuminating and existing. We all have assembled here to share our wisdom about ancient India and its relevance for the modern world. So, the main objective of the conference is that at present, in the field of various subjects, in the research or study, what is the problem when we are from traditional side? Traditional side means if we are Sanskrit scholar or Vedic scholar, whatever is that, we claim that we are very rich in the knowledge. No one in the world like us. So they praise themselves. But when we talk about what is the use of this freshness, then they become fail to explore their thought. And in the same manner, when we talk to any scientist or modern knowledge of modern subject, they neglect the traditional subject. So there is a need in the present day, interdisciplinary subject. But when we suppose that I give one sentence from any Upanishad or in any Vedas, then this is our duty. If we claim that this is the substantial and we are rich in the contents, then this is our duty that we should apply those sentences in our practical life, in the modern studies, in modern sciences. So this is our duty. So suppose that in computer science we are talking about the artificial intelligence. And in our Sankhya philosophy, we talk about the universal intelligence. So what is the basic difference between intelligence and universal intelligence is that in context of the intelligence, in artificial intelligence, the user is the self, Atma, Brahm, Parameshwar. Because without a hardware or software engineer, concept of machine is useless. In the same way, regarding this universe, without the concept of the self, Atma, Brahma, Ishwar, the concept of the human being or being or on the earth is useless. So, what it is that everything is correlated. In Upanishad, when we talk about the Madhu Vidya, then what we say that everything is correlated with each other. So I will not take too much time because already I have passed so many times. So now I request for the lighting the lamp. First, I request to Mataji.
हेलो मैं
I request to Sri Kishore ji that please give the short introduction. Those are on the dais at least, so that will be better.
Mr. Arun Kumar, he is from Netarhat School and he is the second person in CAG, CAG वाला जो हम लोग सुनते रहते हैं, उसमें वो हैं, and he is having one NGO also in Bihar which is doing a very good job, I am told. After that, Mr. B.N. Chaudhary is there, who was our very senior faculty member, our teacher. He used to teach us English. He is here right now. He is staying. His son is also staying with him, and he has also agreed to come over. Then Mataji is there, Mrs. Paramit Shastri, she is there. Our stalwarts, Mr. Ramnath Singh, he is from the first batch. He was the senior general manager in Hindustan Times. He is there. Then from Army, our again Novite, Colonel Bajrang is there. Then our professor, Bajrang is also very active in Nova activities and otherwise also in many other, social work and NGO related work. Then of course, Mr. Baidyanath Lav is there. He is also from Netarhat. He is a very senior professor in Jammu and Kashmir. If I am not wrong, Buddhist, studies and all that. He is a specialist there. And then Ashtananji, he is also from Netarhat. He was in Archaeological Survey of India. He has also recently retired. I am K.N. Mishra. I was with Tata's. I have retired from Tata's. Now I have joined one American company, the TCB, the Conference Board. Head office is in New York. I'm right now also the the president of NOVA, that is Netarhat Old Boys Association, NCR.
मंचाधीन सभी गण्यमान्य व्यक्तियों का स्वागत बुके और फूल देने का कष्ट करेंगे। माता जी को पहले देंगे।
I request हाँ समझ गया मैं। नाउ अब मैं जो है हम क्योंकि नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट to start our main function for the memorial session. So, मैं अब माता जी से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि वो आकर के हम लोगों को थोड़ी देर आशीर्वचन के द्वारा हम लोगों को आशीर्वाद दें.
देवियों और सजनों, मेरे जो कार्यक्रम में इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने जो यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Now I request Mr. Mithilesh Kanti, senior most teacher, Netarhat, Nova students, must be. So, Mr. Kanti is not here due to his ill health. Now I will request Mr. Chaudhary to give blessing to the youngers so that this program can be made success, grand success. Mr. Chaudhary.
Mrs. Shastri, learned participants, ladies and gentlemen. When I heard of organizing this conference, I was delighted. I thought nothing could have been better than this, to organize a conference, 3 days conference on ancient wisdom. The subject has been very dear to my heart. I particularly feel very happy in the company of so many learned professors and people from far and near. On this occasion, I'd like to say a few things about my colleague, Dr. Paramitra Shastri. Okay. Dr. Shastri, as I remember, was a perfect gentleman. In a society where everybody tries to flaunt and display learning and wisdom, he was one person who had deep knowledge of Sanskrit. He was a really learned man, but he never displayed it. There were others who always smartly went around and showed learning and knowledge. But Dr. Shastri was so simple that that simplicity, he could define simplicity and innocence. He was so good. Everybody remembered him for his simplicity and goodness. Goodness is one quality which is lacking very much all around us. As his name suggests, he was really Param Mitra. He was friend to everyone. It's very difficult to define the goodness and friendliness and brotherhood that he showed to his colleagues and to his children, to his students. He was very close to me. And he always asked questions like a child. And he was full of enthusiasm. For any good cause, he would offer himself immediately and without any second thought. I had occasion to be with him on a number of occasions when he would not think twice before supporting any good cause. He was really learned. He was really good. When his son-in-law, Ramakant, when he telephoned to me that he was organizing this conference, I at once responded to him that this is the best way to commemorate his memory. Nothing could have been better to commemorate his memory than the conference in which we are participating today. Dr. Shastri was a very good man, a learned man, a social man, and he was a great asset to the institution. He contributed to his subject as well. I understand he published a few books. 7 books. So 7 books. Yeah, 7 books he had published. To the knowledge of this audience, I would like to add that Netarhat is a school, but it is a school with a great difference. When we talk of a school, we think of a school, yes, but Netarhat is not a school. Netarhat is a philosophy in education. You can see only a few products of that school here, only a few. Most of them, the product of the school, to say the least, are first class people, the best people you can think of, the best workers wherever they are, the best citizens whatever they are doing. So at that time when I was there, actually at Netherhut being a remote place, it's 100 miles away from a city on a hilltop. There is only the society there is only the family of the teachers. You have heard of Gurukul, but this was a modern Gurukul. This was a modern Gurukul. The teachers had families. You have heard of Vishwamitra and other big rishis. They had their kul. Similarly, at Netherhut, it was the teachers' kul. The students lived with them, the teacher's family. The students constituted the family, and the teacher was the head. And that's why there is the concept of Mataji and Shrimanji. You would wonder that it was an Englishman who said, don't use sir, use Shrimanji. It was the first principal, Charles Napier, who advised the people there to use Hindi as well as English every day. It was he who made people speak in Hindi during the period allotted for Hindi and use English when English was allotted for that period. To cut the matter short, the products of Netherhut, wherever they are, most of them are secretaries here in Delhi. Some of them are in Chennai. Some of them are in Maharashtra, Mumbai. They are everywhere. They are abroad as well. Everywhere they have made a mark. They move things further. They are the citizens who are very creative. To end what I have to say, I congratulate Dr. Ramakant Pandey for organizing this conference, 3 days conference here, and for selecting this subject, ancient wisdom and the modern world. I wish him all success in all his projects. I am quite sure that the learned people who have come to participate will be comfortable here and will present papers and share their knowledge and experience with others during the 3 days conference. Thank you very much. Thank you.
थैंक यू मिस्टर चौधरी. अब मैं आमंत्रण दे रहा हूं श्री किशोर मिश्रा जी को डॉक्टर प्रमित्र शास्त्री के बारे में बोलने के लिए 2 शब्द, जिन्होंने अपने छात्रों को ही नहीं अपने परिवार के हर सदस्य को सिखाया, देखना हो अगर किसी को अपनी उड़ान को, देखना हो अगर किसी को अपनी उड़ान को तो ऊंची कर दो इस आसमान को. If you want to see the fly of a student, you have to make the sky higher and higher. So, I request Mr. Kishore Mishra ji to speak few words.
Mataji and Shrimanji and other friends on the dais, delegates, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. It is very difficult to speak about Shrimanji, Paramit Shastri ji, in few words, more so when I like my own voice very much. You know, Shrimanji has already told you about Netarhat values and all that. Though I was in the school from 58 to 64 for around 6 years, Shrimanji taught us Hindi for 4 years, that is from 60 to 64. And he was sort of our class teacher. Every now and then we used to be in his class. And what I saw in Dr. Paramit Shastri was, he was very outspoken. He believed in motivation. He used to motivate students. He was a person of values. And there was clarity in his values, value system. He had certain ignorance, but then he had guts to say that, yes, I don't know this thing. He was a very good storyteller, like grandmother. Friends, I am told to speak about the relevance of his values in today's, contemporary management. Now, whatever we do, there is management, whether it is household work for housewife or for a farmer, a teacher, a bureaucrat, an executive, a banker, wherever you go, whatever one does, one has to manage. And we learned many things from Shrimanji. Just to give you a few examples, though we can go on talking and talking, probably for the whole day on Shrimanji. Let us take an example of storyteller. He used to connect both Mahabharata and Ramayana. And he used to tell us about higher things, how we can get teaching, how we can give suggestions, how we can learn from the literature, from the history and all that. Once he was telling us about Yudhishthira, how Yudhishthira, when he, was the king for say around 36 years, and how he decided to leave everything and go towards Himalayas, and it so happened that on the way, almost everybody died, and all this happened after Sri Krishna also died, okay? So he was alone, and one dog was following him. And he was accepted in the heaven, in human condition. But he said that he will not go to heaven until this dog is also taken. And then Dharmaraj appeared, and we all know Dharma was the father of Yudhishthira. Then he said that I was taking a test, so the dog will also be allowed. And then he narrated the thing that, after 12 years when you were in hiding, Ajnatavas, that time also, while taking water from a pond, others had died because they were, required to give answer to 3 questions, and you only had answered. But then you said that no, until, and then you were told that you can get one of your brothers, alive, and you chose Nakul, not your own brother, Arjun. So all these are good qualities in you. And this is how Dr. Paramit Shastri used to tell us that it is the compassion, it is the Maitri Bhav, it is the positive thinking that we learn from Mahabharata. And in today's world, in today's management, all these are required. Every company, every corporate has to have core values. Until unless they have core values, and many say that it is the strategic leadership, someone else may say that it is customer centric, someone may say that it is learning, innovation, systems, But many things. And if we go on talking, there will be volumes of books only on core values. What should be the core values? Because after all, any company which runs, any organization which runs, has to make profit. But today the time has changed. It is not only the profit, it is 3 P's. It is profit, people, and planet. And all these were taught in Netarhati school. We used to call our Mali ji. We used to give respect. We used to call this barber Mochi ji. Things like that. So when we see today, we find that right from humility to courage, there could be many things which could be core values. And only after core values you decide, it depends on the organization, which core values they will go for. Then only they will go for strategy. And for developing a strategy, one has to take input from the society, from the government, from partners, from stakeholders, employees, government maybe. And then they make the action plan, and that has to be communicated. And it has to be communicated well. Then there could be, review. And there could be, mid-course correction also. And if someone is required to be trained, there could be training and development. And above all, there is reward and recognition. And then the circle, revolves. But whatever one does, it is for the customer. Customers are the greatest people. Now, coming back to Paramik Shastriji's class, we as students were customers. And he used to analyze, he used to take feedback from us, what has to be improved while teaching. Even when there was some match, that used to be analyzed. Who won? Why a particular team won? So things like that. There is paucity of time. I will not talk much, but I do hope that this 3 days international conference will be a grand success. And with these words, I wish all the best for this international conference. Thank you.
Because at 11, our opening ceremony is going to be start. So I am very sorry to, I will finish this memorial session at 11. I will not go beyond 11. So I request to a few members of the Netarhati. First, I will request to Professor Lal to give 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. And Lab is the very nearest to me, my wife. He was a student of my father. He is the student of my father as well as my father-in-law. He is my senior from the same department. So from all fields he is related to us. So I request him.
Respected Shrimanji and all my elder brothers sitting on the dais and off the dais, it is my proud privilege to be here. As Dr. Ramanath Pandey told, that he is my Guru Bhai and Madhuri is my Guru Bahan. And the fathers of both have taught me. So it's very difficult to summarize everything within 2 minutes. But as Shrimanji taught us Hindi and Sanskrit, but beyond that, very few people know that he was a great scholar of Apabhransh and Prakrit, and he has done a commendable job. One of our senior teachers, perhaps who was very much senior to Dr. Shastri Ramakrishna Verma ji, he used to tell us that Shastri ji was a topper of BHU, and he was a great debater also in BHU. And he was a great natakar, and I had fortune to work in 2 or 3 plays as an actor, directed by him. His memory is lying in my album. We have good photograph and so many things. So I wish all the best to Dr. Ramanath and Madhuri for just going ahead with this venture, and I wish that this program is organized every year and we get time to get together to exchange our views, to further the ideas with which Dr. Shastri lived. So once again, all the best to you. Thank you.
Now, I request Sri Bajrang ji to speak, but I request that not more than 2 minutes, please.
If you permit me, I can switch over to Hindi, if you prefer. सारी औपचारिकताओं को पीछे छोड़ते हुए मैं बड़े गर्व के साथ कहना चाहता हूं कि डॉक्टर परमित्र शास्त्री का मैं विद्यार्थी ही नहीं था, उनके आश्रम में भी था। और आज माता जी से सुबह सुबह बात हो रही थी, लगता ही नहीं था कि हम अपने घर में नहीं थे। और डॉक्टर परमित्र शास्त्री के नाते जितने गुरुवृंद हमारे थे, उन सबों का स्मरण कर रहे हैं हम। श्री बीएन चौधरी जी जो हमारे शिक्षक थे अंग्रेजी के, आपके सामने मौजूद हैं, वो उन समस्त तारामंडल शिक्षकों का एक आभा मंडल था नेतरहाट में। उसमें से एक व्यक्ति श्रीमान जी के रूप में और एक माता जी हैं। पूरा नेतरहाट लगता है उतर आया इस धरती पर इस समय। और ये हमारे बड़े छोटे भाई प्रोफेसर लाभ, अच्युता जी, अरुण जी, इतने बड़े ऑफिसर, कंट्रोलर ऑफिसर जनरल ऑफ कंट्रोलर एंड अकाउंटेंट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए आपके सामने हैं। नेतरहाट के बारे में यह कहना कि वहां का छात्र कोई बहुत बड़े पद पर है, बड़ी छोटी सी बात है। वहां सीबीआई के डायरेक्टर त्रिनाथ मिश्र वहां से निकले, प्रत्युष सिन्हा जी वहां के सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन के निकले, कुछ मेजर जनरल्स हुए, कुछ अब जैसे ये किशोर जी हैं, टाटा ग्रुप को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और इतने बड़े इंटरनेशनल फेम के व्यक्ति हैं आपके सामने हैं। तो हमें लगता है कि नेतरहाट के लोगों को स्कॉलर कहना ठीक नहीं होगा। वो एकदम सामान्य लोग थे, बिल्कुल ऑर्डिनरी लोग। और मैं अपनी बात यहां खत्म करना चाहूंगा कि उसको श्रीमान जी ने स्कूल या फिलॉसफी कहा है, एक्चुअली उसको एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कहा गया था और अभी भी है। इट वॉज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट इन प्रमोशन ऑफ एक्सेलेंस इन एजुकेशन। एक पूरी किताब बनी थी उसके ऊपर डॉक्टर सराफ की। तो कितनी बातें कहें, लेकिन एक चलते चलते एक बात कह देते हैं कि जब प्रभु की कृपा होती है तो इस देश में कुछ अच्छा होता है। 1913 में एक अंग्रेज आए, उसका नाम था फ्रेडरिक गॉर्डन पियर्स। वो 21 वर्ष के थे जब आए हमारे देश में, और उनको बुद्धिज्म इतना पसंद आया कि वो श्रीलंका में बुद्धिज्म की टीचिंग कर रहे थे और एनी बेसेंट के आश्रम में थे वो चेन्नई में, इन चेन्नई, एंड विथ कृष्णमूर्ति एंड देन महर्षि रमन। ही बिकेम ए डिसाइपल ऑफ महर्षि रमन। ही वॉज द टीचर ऑफ कृष्ण मेनन। कृष्ण मेनन को उन्होंने स्काउट सिखाया था। दैट जेंटलमैन केम टू नेतरहाट। एक अंग्रेज ने आकर के नेतरहाट की स्कीम बनाई, और कैसे हुआ ये बिल्कुल एक ऐसी बात है जो शायद कोई बतावे आपको। सन 1928 में इलाहाबाद में जगदीश चंद्र माथुर जो बिहार के एजुकेशन सेक्रेटरी थे, वो जब बहुत छोटे थे उनसे उनकी भेंट हुई थी उनके पिताजी के साथ। और जब बिहार की सरकार ने यह संकल्प लिया कि हमारे देश में एक ऐसा स्कूल बनना चाहिए जो बिल्कुल इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से अलग हो, तो खोजते खोजते सर्चलाइट की तरह एक व्यक्ति का नाम है, उसका नाम था एफजी पियर्स। उसको बुलाया गया चित्तूर में, ऋषि वैली स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल थे वो। ऋषि वैली से वो आए और उन्होंने स्कीम बना के जो दी, जिसके प्रोडक्ट हम सब लोग हैं। वो हमारे लिए गुरु से कम नहीं थे। उनकी पतोह, जो उनकी डॉटर इन लॉ टोंजा वीमर आजकल यूएसए में है, विक्रम पियर्स उनके पुत्र हैं जो हम लोग से कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस करते हैं। यानी इस देश में एक ऐसा गुरुकुल बना जिसको गुरुकुल ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया कहते हैं, और आज उसके चलते हम आपके सामने हैं। समय का बहुत बड़ा अभाव है। डॉक्टर परमिश शास्त्री उन्हीं को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, उसी डिवाइन डिजाइन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। मैंने कोशिश की है कुछ शब्दों में आपको ये बात समझाने की कि हाउ डिवाइन वॉज एन इनकारनेशन ऑफ ए सिस्टम नोन एज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट इन एक्सीलेंस इन एजुकेशन। मैं श्रीमान जी के प्रति अपनी श्रद्धा को अर्पित करते हुए मैं चाहूंगा कि जो थोड़े शब्द मैंने कहने की कोशिश की है, खासतौर से हमारी माताएं बहनें माधुरी और माता जी को, उनको समझ में आ जाए, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी एक ऐसी भाषा है जो हो सकता है कि माता जी को समझने में दिक्कत हो। इसलिए विशेष रूप से आपके लिए मैंने ये कहने की कोशिश की है कि डॉक्टर परमिश शास्त्री एक ऐसे हस्ती थे, न सिर्फ विद्वान थे, बल्कि वो सारे गुरुओं का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हुए आज इस फाउंडेशन में वो उनकी स्मृति में हम लोग आपको समर्पित करते हैं। रमाकांत जी, माधुरी जी, और आप कोशिश करें कि ऐसी मीटिंग्स होती रहें ताकि हम कहीं न कहीं पहुंचें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं श्री रामनाथ सिंह जी से कि 1 मिनट के लिए प्लीज रामनाथ सिंह जी।
श्रीमान जी, मेरे मित्रों, देवियों और सज्जनों, मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हुए भी श्रीमान डॉक्टर परमिश शास्त्री के बारे में जो मैं प्रथम बैच में नेतरहाट गया था और वो हमारे अंतिम वर्ष में आए थे, 1960 के शुरू में ही आए थे। यद्यपि हम लोगों को पढ़ाते नहीं थे, लेकिन वो टीचर नहीं थे हमारे, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा वो आत्मीय थे। जब कभी भी हम उनके पास पहुंचते थे कुछ सजेशन, तो वो बहुत ही आत्मीय ढंग से, बहुत मोर देन टीचर, वो हम लोगों को समझाते थे संस्कृत और हिंदी के बारे में। तो उनसे ऐसा प्यार मिला जो मुझे एक बेबाक थे, अब बहुत ऐसा समझाते थे कि बिल्कुल समझ में आ जाता थी चीजें। तो कोई प्रॉब्लम लेके जाते थे, तुरंत सहर्ष उसका दूर करते थे। मुझे एक वाकया याद है, जब मैं वो रिटायर हो गए थे, रांची में रह रहे थे। 93 मुझे याद है, 93 में रांची के गया था तो उनसे मिला, तो मुझे लगा कि एक अपने फैमिली से मिल रहे हैं, और बहुत देर तक बात करते रहे, बहुत सारी चीजों पर चर्चा करते रहे। तो वो प्यार और वात्सल्य वो हमारे स्कूल जो नेतरहाट, जो हम लोग जहां से अध्ययन हम लोगों ने किया, वहीं से मिल सकता था, और आज भी हम लोगों को प्राप्त है। इसका मुझे बहुत गर्व है, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि ये 3 त्रिदिवसीय जो कॉन्फ्रेंस है, जो रमानाथ पांडे और माधुरी जी ने शुरू किया है, ये सफल हो, हमारी कामना है, और हम से पूरा सहयोग है। धन्यवाद।
और कुछ है, कोई कार्यक्रम या धन्यवाद भाषण आप देंगे? 1 मिनट के लिए धन्यवाद भाषण दे दीजिए।
दो शब्द अच्युतानंद जी को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं। अच्छा, ठीक है। जितने भी हमारे परम सहृदय हैं और जितने भी शास्त्री जी के घनिष्ठ रहे हैं और जो यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, उनको मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आकर के इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाया। स्पेशली चौधरी जी का, जो इस अवस्था में और इतनी दूर से चल करके हमारे कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए यहाँ आए। और बाकी जितने मेंबर हैं, किशोर जी, रामनाथ सिंह जी, बजरंग जी, अच्युतानंद जी, लाभ जी, जितने भी हैं मेंबर यहाँ पर, और जो हमारे दर्शकगण हैं, उनका भी मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूं। इसके बाद जो है चाय ब्रेक होगा 15 मिनट के लिए, फिर हमारा इनॉग्रेल सेशन चालू हो जाएगा, ओपनिंग सेरेमनी कॉन्फ्रेंस का। ठीक है।